Hi everyone, I'm Dedeepya, a third year computer science and engineering student at Aditya University. I'm super excited to share that I have been selected for summer internship at Walmart Global Tech in Bangalore office with a monthly stipend of 1 lakh rupees. This opportunity means a lot to me. I'll be working on real-world projects, gaining hands-on experience and learning how to solve problems in a professional environment. It is also a great chance for me to build teamwork and discipline. I really want to thank Team Aditya for their constant support. Right from the first year, Aditya has provided me a great learning platform. Our college has a huge library which has many books which help me to learn technologies much better. And I am focused on training and coding from the first year onwards, which helped me to be on this stage. I'm truly proud to be an Adityan and thank you.